So let me tell you about the time I finally made my own peanut butter. Growing up in the Philippines, Lily's peanut butter was the peanut butter. Sweet, nutty, just the perfect match for a classic PB&J sandwich. Who doesn't love that, right? But here's the thing, why on earth did I wait this long to make it myself? It's so much cheaper and I know exactly what's going into it. No preservatives, no ridiculous amounts of sugar or salt, just pure, simple peanut goodness. It all started with a little bag of dried peanuts I found at an Asian store for less than $2. Such a steal. I soaked them in water for about 30 minutes, mostly to clean them and to fish out any bad ones. Then I dried them off with a paper towel, easy peasy. Next came the roasting, which I did in my trusty air fryer, 10 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. They came out beautifully golden and aromatic. Roasting is key because it coaxes out those natural oils and gives the peanut butter that rich, roasted flavor. After that, it was time to blend. Thankfully, I have a high-speed blender which works wonders for nut butters. Seriously, it's worth it if you want that super creamy consistency. Just toss the roasted peanuts in and blend away for a couple of minutes. If you're using a regular blender, you might end up with a coarser texture, but hey, some people love it chunky. Want it sweet? Add a little sugar, honey, or even monk fruit or stevia. It's totally up to you. And that's it, homemade peanut butter in minutes. Can you believe how easy it is? Plus, I saved money and made something healthier than anything you'd buy at the store. Just pop it in the fridge and it will last a couple of weeks. Oh, here's a little tip. Don't waste the leftover peanut butter stuck in the blender. Add a splash of hot water, shake it up, and use that to make a stew like kare-kare. It's so good. So yeah, goodbye Lily's, Skippy, and Trader Joe's. Homemade is where it's at. You've got to try this. It's a game changer.